Mamaya meron all-star.
Oo, pa pala ako ng sampal ko. Set! Ba't ka dumaan dito? Ano problema mo? Ate ka ba? Wala. Kung ginawa mo sa akin. Ay na. Laban.
Hindi ka labanin mo. Sa lopo. Labanin mo.
Sige, ako kalaban. Nabigyan mo 20. Sige. Wala. Kamagod muna ako. Dito, kamagod ako. Ha? Ako, gusto ko.
Paging Brian Balagtas. Paging Brian Balagtas. Paging Mr. Brian Balagtas to the court right now.
Set. Yabang ko.
Parang, ano na kayo? Ano na kayo?
Uy, naka-video yan.
AJ, can I borrow your ball? Yes. I like your ball. Yung mabuhat na ka, tapos di ba?
2-1 in favor of the red team. Torrente clears the ball outside. Makes his move, fakes, passes to Ayad with the teardrop. Good. Louis with the rebound. Pinasa kay sa labas. Clear ball. Pinasa ulit kay Louis. Louis takes the jumper. No good. Pinapit sa labas. Rebound. Tries to make a play. Takes the shot. No good. Rebound ulit kay Bianchi. Pinasa kay Torrente. Torrente takes the 3 points. Wala ulit. Rebound by Balagtas. Balagtas use the ball. Passes to Jefferson. Bang! Bianchi passes to Ayad. Ayad clears the ball. Passes back to Bianchi. Passes back to Ayad. No good. Ching with the rebound. Clears the ball. Looks to make the 3-point again. No good. Rebound. Passes to Balagtas. Jumper. No good. Ayad rebound. Passes to Torrente. Close the ball game. Torrente tries to make his move on Ching. Teardrop. Nice move. Kuya Ching. Kuya Louis. Jump shot, no good. Rebound Torrente. Torrente. Side step. Elbow. Red ball. Ching. Passes to Louis. What a block. Sub. Back you in, Jay Bryant.
May sub ba yun?
6 minutes and 30 seconds left into the ball game. Red leads by 1.43. Diablos drop a pass to Dog. All for one. Balagtas makes his move on Ayad. Layup. What a shot. Diablos drop pass again to John. Nabla ulit. 6 minutes left on the ball game. Drop again by Diablos. Blue ball. John takes the ball. Passes to Diablos. Drives. Drop pass again to John. Wala. Tipped by Patrick. Namak na ng isa yung blue. 5 minutes and 30 seconds into the ball game. Ching takes the 3 and takes it. Red is now up by 1. Diablos takes the 3 also. Blue is now up by 1. Jefferson Ching tries to make his move. Balisok. Balagtas. Wala. Block by Patrick. Patrick shoots the ball. Shoots a 3 again. Wala. Hey! What a lucky bounce by Mr. Diablos. Ching. Nag-dribble. Pinasa kay Louis. Pinasa kay Ching ulit. 3 points. Wala. Airball. Blue ball. Score is 10-7 in favor of Blue. Four minutes and 40 seconds to the game. Blue ball. Brian Torrente dribbles the ball, tries to make his move. Brian Balagtas makes the layup. Doesn't clear the ball. Jefferson Ching does it. Shoots the 3 points. Wala. Airball. Rebound to Diablos. Looks to make another 3-pointer. Wala. Rebound to Louis. A steal to Patrick. Torrente makes. Doesn't make it. Louis with the rebound. Here's the ball to Brian Balagtas. Balagtas takes the 3. No good. Rebound by Ching. Drop pass to Louis. Nice pass by Jefferson Ching. Patrick passes to Ayad, takes the jumper, bang bang. 3 points for Jefferson Score is game clock is 3. Tie game to red and blue. All 12. Brian. 1 point, sorry. Ching. Passes to Louis. Passes back. Bank shot. Bank is open on Sunday. Patrick passes to Ayad. Ayad takes a jumper.
Sinakyan ba naman?
Score is 13-12 in favor of the blue team. Corrente crossover, takes the jumper. No good. Rebound by Jefferson. Looks to make a quick shot. Takes the jumper. No good. Rebound by Corrente. 3 minutes and 40 seconds left in the ball game. Crossover si Patrick. Drop pass kay Ayad. Nasa kay Corrente. What an alley-oop pass. No good. Rebound ng Kalabaw na Pampanga. Ayad again. Makes it. Namang dalawa yung blue. Rebound Patrick. Patrick. Looks for Brian. Sabi ni Corrente, kalma muna. Looks to make a play for the blue. When he passes it back to Patrick. And rebound. Ulit ni Patrick. Passes to Corrente. Blue is up by 2 points. No good. Rebound ni Patrick. Wala. Rebound ni Julius. Good. Lamang na by 3 points. Last 2 minutes in the ball game. Louis. Reverse layup. No good. Corrente. Down to the ball game. Uses the screen. Passes to Patrick. Patrick. Jumper. 4-point lead for the blue team. Blocked by Patrick. Rebound by Jefferson. Banks it in. Patrick. Ginagamit yung oras. Last 1 minute in the ball game. No good. Rebound ni Balagtas. Balagtas passes to Jefferson. Takes the 3. No good. Rebound ni Torrente. Last 1 minute. Ooh, what a crossover by Torrente. Pinasa kay Patrick for 3. No good. Rebound ulit ni Torrente. 40 seconds. Ooh, what a crossover. Jump pass to Patrick. Walang foul. Jefferson for 3. No good. Patrick with the rebound. Here's it to Kuya Brian. Last 30 seconds in the ball game. Drop pass again to Patrick. Bank is open. 4-point lead. Seconds left. Sub, si Mami, si John. Tumira. For rebound ni Patrick. Nice pass. Wala. Rebound ni Patrick. Ulit. And nice day. Blue win. 17-13.